When it comes to the greatest inventors of all time, one man always comes to mind. A man who imagined machines that could destroy objects from 400 kilometers away, who spoke of devices able to shake the earth, and who gave us alternating current, the power that would one day light our homes and even lead toward the invention of the internet. But how could such an inventor, a man who gave light to the world, end up broke, living out his final days alone in a quiet hotel room? This is the story of Nikola Tesla. On the 10th of July 1856, Nikola Tesla was born in a modest house in Smiljan, Croatia. From the time he was a little boy, his passion for study kept growing stronger. Then something incredible and tragic happened, something nobody could have imagined. When Tesla was just 5, his older brother fell from a horse and later died. The accident left a scar on Nikola's mind, a wound that would quietly shape his life. In 1873, Nikola finished his schooling. His father, Nikola Tesla, was a priest and wanted his son to follow in his footsteps. But fate had other plans. That same year, Nikola caught a deadly illness, cholera. How could a young man, sick and weak, ever invent such great things? Lying in bed, he could barely hold on. Seeing his son fading, Milutin made a promise. If Nikola survived, he would let him study at the Austrian Polytechnic to chase his dream. That promise lit a fire in Tesla's heart. Within days, he began to recover. True to his father's word, Tesla went on to Austria for higher studies. Passion burned in him, a drive that would soon change the world forever. And so began the remarkable journey of Nikola Tesla. In Graz, Austria, Tesla's brilliance exploded. He excelled in every subject, mastering mathematics, physics, and mechanics. Electricity, in particular, fascinated him. He could see it in his mind, a force of nature waiting to be harnessed. He worked obsessively, barely sleeping, to understand it. His teachers warned that he might die from overwork, but Nikola didn't care. The world would wait for him, or it would be left in the dark. After dropping out of the Austrian Polytechnic without a degree, Tesla's life took a hard turn. He lost his scholarship, his gambling habit drained his money, and for a time, he worked as a ditch digger just to survive. Then, opportunity knocked. In Budapest, Tesla invented a revolutionary telephone amplifier. Soon, he moved to Paris, joining Continental Edison Company, where he worked on electric lighting. His skill caught the attention of Edison himself. After repairing generators all night, Tesla earned a rare compliment from the great inventor. "This is a darn good man." But Tesla's vision surpassed Edison's. He dreamed of a world powered by alternating current AC, a system Edison refused to embrace. And so, Tesla left, breaking free to pursue the electricity of the future. Tesla partnered with George Westinghouse, championing AC electricity. Edison fought back with what became known as the Battle of the Currents, attempting to prove AC was dangerous. But Tesla's genius could not be stopped. AC electricity won, illuminating cities across the globe and changing the very fabric of modern life. With newfound wealth, Tesla's creativity knew no bounds. In 1891, he patented the Tesla coil, a device that could transmit electricity wirelessly. He imagined a world where power could reach every home free of wires. He conducted public demonstrations, lighting bulbs across rooms without a single cable. He even claimed to have intercepted mysterious signals from other planets, sparking rumors of extraterrestrial contact. Yet for all his genius, Tesla's ideas often lacked the financial backing to see the light of day. Investors came and went. Guglielmo Marconi's radio captured the world's attention, and once again, Tesla was left struggling. Tesla moved from hotel to hotel, leaving unpaid bills in his wake. His life became solitary, marked by eccentricities. He loved pigeons. One, a beautiful white bird, became the center of his existence. "As long as I had her," he said, "there was a purpose to my life." He never married, claiming romance would interfere with his work. Instead, he poured his heart into invention. Cosmic rays, machines to photograph thoughts, even a death ray capable of immense destruction. Tesla believed he could change the world, if only he had the means. Tesla died alone on January 7th, 1943, at the age of 86. The FBI immediately seized his belongings, fearing dangerous inventions, but found nothing hazardous. His genius was cataloged, his secrets analyzed, But the man himself had vanished from the world he had sought to illuminate. Nikola Tesla, a man who could harness lightning, who imagined a world without wires, who loved a pigeon more than most people love humans. A man of vision, obsession, and brilliance, yet one who walked the line between genius and loneliness. His inventions lit the world. His life, a lesson in ambition, isolation, and the price of brilliance. If Tesla's story amazed you, subscribe to Fern for more deep dives into the lives of the world's most extraordinary minds.